What we're now going to do is discuss the two types of access lists, the standard IP access lists and extended IP access lists. We'll first discuss standard IP access lists. These access lists implement packet filtering logic by using the IP, TCP, and UDP headers in the packets. Their focus is to match the source IP address of packets with the IP address in the access list. Matching can be based on the entire IP address, such as matching the complete IP addresses of PC1 and Server 1, or subnet IP addresses, such as matching the first 3 octets of the IP address of PC1. Cisco uses wildcard masks with IP addresses. For implementing the packet filtering logic, the router uses the wildcard mask to determine the part of the IP address that is to be compared with the configuration statement. Wildcard masks are 32-bit numbers, where 0 bits imply that the corresponding bits of the packet IP address must be compared, and 1 bits imply that the corresponding bits of the packet IP address need not be compared for the matching logic. Let's look at an example of wildcard masks. The wildcard mask of 0.0.0.0 implies that the entire IP address needs to be examined, and 0.0.0.255 implies that the first 3 octets need to be examined. When we look at the binary version, we see that there are 20 zeros and 12 ones for the wildcard mask of 0.0.15.255. This implies that the first 20 bits of the IP address need to be examined. Wildcard masks are particularly useful when used with subnet masks. Suppose we have a subnet mask of 255.255.240.0 and want to match packets that come from the same subnet. To identify the wildcard mask, just subtract the subnet mask of 255.255.240.0 from all 255s. This will give us 0.0.15.255. The wildcard mask of 0.0.15.255 implies that the first 20 bits in the subnet mask have to match for the packets that come from the same subnet. The matching logic requires that all bits of the network and subnet be matched. So it would be easier for us to invert the subnet mask whenever we want to match packets that come from the same subnet.